Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside Cordless air compressor, battery powered. I have made a video reviewing and testing this air compressor, but I did forget to test it on a tire. This is a flat tire. It is only for emergency use. It is a small tire. You can see the diameter. It is 115 by 70 R16 and it is only for emergency use if your regular tires they've got problem and you need to replace them with this emergency tire. The maximum it is 60 psi and it says max 80 kilometers per hour. It is flat. Definitely doesn't have any air. Now, this cordless compressor, the maximum that it can go, it is on 101 psi. Yep. And for bars, it is 7 bars. Doesn't go more. Okay, psi. I will adjust it 60 psi. Perfect. Now let's connect that here. Add the valve. Perfect. And let's start. And stops on 60 psi. Nice. And it doesn't take no more than 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Hard as a rock. Nice job. Well guys, definitely you can use that and inflate in your car tires. Maximum 101 psi. I like it. And the battery, it is on green. It was fully charged. And the unit, after 3 minutes, I can say it is very cool. It doesn't get too hot. Nice, I like it. Definitely is doing an amazing job. Well guys, if you want to find out more about this Parkside cordless air compressor and this cordless air pump, I have made a video. You can check it in the end of this video right in the corner or down below in the description. And you can find out all about this product, where you can use it. I have tested, reviewed them. And I can say for 40 euros that they cost together, these products, of course, without the batteries and charger, are doing an amazing job. You can use it at the right time and make your life more easy. Well guys, that was all about. Great choice for inflating your car tires with this Parkside cordless air compressor. If you want to buy it, it costs 40 euros, as I said, with this air pump. It is a very reliable tool. You can have it at your car and at the right moment give air to your tires. On an emergency situation, when you are traveling, it is the right accessory to have at your car. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.